Hello everyone, in front of me is Xiaomi Book S, and let me show you how to change the theme. At first, enroll the list of all apps and enter settings. Then click on accessibility, go to contrast themes. Here you've got the layout, and over here just enroll the options, choose the particular theme. So here you've got night sky, dusk, desert or aquatic. Let me choose, for example, night sky. Click on apply then, and just wait till it's done. As you can see, here it is. Then you can change it whenever you want to, the same way. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.